Hi guys, hello Mary, meet everybody, it's Michelle Mary 20, it's December 19th, 2019, and of course today is a very cold, frigid Thursday morning as we are trying to get some things situated and organized. Now, I'm going to give you a quick summary of what's going on. When I mean quick, I'm not going to get into a lot of details because there's a lot of things still up in the air. So let's talk about the ones we can talk about. Patty gets annoyed because I snore, and she was really on the couch there. The problem is I don't know if that's going to work because the couch is a lot lower than the bed, and it's going to be harder to transfer from the bed or from the couch to the chair I'm sitting in now. And that also means it's going to be harder for me to get into the bathroom. And I tried to explain that to her, and she's like, oh, well, look, you can't sleep in the bedroom because everybody else's bedroom is up above you, on the side of you, and my neighbors complain you snore too much, even the ones that are diagonal of you. I'm like, oh, God. I said, where did the tradition of banging on walls and ceilings even come from? I don't know. I never heard them banging, but I think I can see your point. But, if that over there is not satisfactory for whatever reason, I don't know how we're going to do it. Okay. Let's see what next. She's going up to get some of my paperwork sorted through that we need for the case. And as she was saying is she was listening on the radio that Ned Lamont wants to cancel all the transportation for Torrington because he wants to use the money for the roads. Yes, our roads need work, but we need public transit too. We can't live without public transit. Winsted and Torrington don't even have enough buses. There's not enough buses for people to work a 9-to-5 job. Outside, if you work in Torrington, you can't get home to Winsted. And so that's not gonna work either. What about I got an idea. Well, not a very good one. Which is that would it make sense for me to go get a room in a motel? No, I don't think so. Well, it depends on which motel, because motels are expensive. The thing is she keeps her really dry in here. And it's like sitting in the Sahara. I mean, it's dry in here. Okay. So, I'm not happy with the temperature in here. Well, she said, well, I have to keep it warm so the pipes don't freeze. I said, I agree with that, but we need more humidity. She's like, well, I ain't got a humidifier. I said, well, I do. Bring it down here. No, I'm afraid you got roach eggs in it. I said, it's brand new. I can't win. Alright. Anyway, so to make a long story short, is I have to come up with a solution to the different things. The issue of, we'll get logistics here. 1, file the paperwork for the insurance. 2, arrange to get all my stuff moved into a storage bin. 3, secure for now a temporary apartment. 4, file applications for housing to get a housing to go for a mortgage. 5, find a house. 6, do a closing, and then that's another whole ball of wax. I haven't even touched on that one. Okay, but just to say is there's a lot of stuff. And so we're going to have to work on that. Now, unfortunately, she said there are a lot of outlets in this room that don't work. Wait a minute, this place looks like it was pretty modernized somewhat recently. Why in the hell doesn't you have outlets that work? What's the story with that? Why don't some of these outlets work? She doesn't know. I don't know either. Why would you have dead outlets? I said maybe they're controlled by a wall switch. I don't see any wall switches. Huh. That's weird. Alright, so that's the story for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you go for the time being because I want to just try to relax and not stress. Because with all the stuff that's going on, I'm getting stressed because of it. I mean, just a little bit. I mean, it's not as bad. At least I know I'm not going to be homeless, but it's stressful. Okay? And we haven't even brought my 2 cats down yet. Hello, hell on wheels. Oh, that's another story, but that's for another video. Alright, guys, listen, I'll see you later. Stay out of trouble. I will see you all tomorrow in a video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe and do click like if you like, and I will see you soon. So for everybody, thanks for watching these little short videos. This is probably the longest one we've done in a long time. And thank you very much for watching this, and we'll figure it out somehow. Alright? See you later. Bye-bye.